Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basic.
In this video, I'll be showing you how you can reset or change your ChatGPT password on your mobile devices.
If you already have the ChatGPT app installed on your device,
you can simply continue through it. But today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can reset your password through your own browser.
Firstly, open Google if you're on Android or the Safari browser if you're on iOS device. In the search bar, type chatgpt.com to access ChatGPT by OpenAI. You will now be redirected to the welcome page of ChatGPT where you'll have the option to log in, sign up, or stay logged out.
Simply click on Login to get started. You'll now need to enter your email address from which you created your ChatGPT account and simply click on Continue button. To reset or change your password, you need to now click on Forgot Password option. You'll now need to enter your email address once again and then click on Continue button. You now need to check your email and follow the instruction to reset your password. Simply click on the email sent by ChatGPT and click on Reset Password. You should now enter your new password, which must at least contain 12 characters, and click on Reset Password. And that's it, you've successfully reset your ChatGPT account password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.